Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are doing Sword 55, our final blends, and that's going to be the L blend, the N blend, and the S blend. And then we're going to have an other category, which we usually call the oddball. All right, so we're going to start off by making our cards. I need you to take a paper and fold it the long way in half. Make your fold nice and tight. Remember, it has to be nice so you can see it later. Then fold it the long way in half again and make your fold nice and tight. Then you fold it in half this way. The thicker the paper gets, the harder it is to make those folds nice and tight. And then you fold it in half again. Those little corners are hard to fold sometimes. And then one more time in half so that we only have 4 little lines showing. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then I like to hit it a little bit just to make the folds nice and tight so that when I open it up, I can see those folds. And now I can use my pencil marker or pen to trace the fold lines. See the lines? I need you to pause your video here so you can trace them and it'll look like this. When you're ready to continue, push play. All right, now that we have our fold lines, I'm going to go ahead and start with my Sword 55. I'm going to write down my headers, and I have 4 headers, so I actually have to use the one that has the hole in it. That's the one I usually don't use. All righty, so my first header is the L blend. L blend. And my next header is the N blend. And then I have the S blend. And I have the category that's called Other. That means they're not an L, N, or S blend. Now that I have my headers, I'm going to start writing down my words. And remember, these are final blends. Final means it's at the end of the word. So when I look at my word, my first word is bold. And we're going to write over 2 lines. Remember to write neatly, like we learned in handwriting practice. Bold. And I can see there's no blend at the beginning, but this is my final blend. So the last 2 letters, there's a ld. So I know this is my L blend. And my next word is hand. Remember, you're not writing with your hand, you're writing with your fingers that are moving your pen. All right, hand. And my final blend is nd. So that's my N blend. And then I have desk. I do my work at my desk. And I can hear the sk. That's my S blend. Sk. And then I have left. Left. Oh, look at my end of the word is ft. That's not a L, N, or S, so it's in the other category. All right, my next word is elf. I can't wait to see Santa's elf this year. Elf. And elf has the lf, so L blend. Then I have half. Half. And it has the LF, so that's part of my L blend. Then I have junk. Junk. Junk has a nk, so that's my N blend. And then I have the word sent. He sent me a letter. I sent you a letter. Sent. Nt. Still an N blend. Mask. Are you going to wear a mask for Halloween? Mask. There's a sk. That's my S blend. Grasp. grasp. He can grasp the book. Grasp. There's a sp. That's my S blend. Gift. Gift. He got a gift from Santa. Gift. There's a ft. That's an F, which is not an L, N, or S, so it goes in my other category. Leapt. The dog leapt off the floor. Means he did a big leap, a big jump. Leapt. Ooh, there's a pt. That's not L, N, or S, so it's my other blend. My next word is ramp. Ramp. My house has a giant ramp on the hill. Ramp. That's an M blend, not one of my blends, so it goes into the other category. Then my next word is cost. Cost. And it has a st, so that's my S blend. List. I love to make a list. List. It has an S blend, so it goes in my S blend category right here. My next word is send. I can't wait for you to send me a picture of your sort on your class dojo. Send. That's an N blend. Trunk. Trunk. Have you ever gone to a trunk or treat? Trunk. You hear the nk? That's an N blend. And then I'm going to have help. Can you help me and post these words on Class Dojo? Help. Oop. Oh, that's an L blend. Belt. People whose pants are sagging, they need a belt to hold up their pants. Milk. I love to drink milk. Milk. L blend. And we didn't talk about belt, but belt. L blend. All right, now that we wrote down all our words, I need you to make sure that you cut them out, sort them, and put a picture on Class Dojo for me to see. Can't wait to see it. See you next time.